Welcome back to another video, you guys. First off, let me sit down. Man, a lot of stuff has been going on, so let me tell y'all. First off, before we get into anything, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, if you're new to the channel. I do car, automotive vlogs. A lot of stuff been going on, man. The biggest thing that done went on, I'm gonna just tell y'all the small stuff. I've been losing stuff. I lost my bank card. I supposed to get y'all S10 content the other day. I lost my bank card. Still don't know where that's at. Now I just looking for my AirPod. Lost my AirPod. Got in the fender bender. Coming to a light. Y'all know it's the busy holidays. Coming to a light, stopping. The light was red when I went under it. So we sitting there. We still like rolling, coming to the stop. And boom, somebody hit the back of us. Back hurting, neck hurting. The boy got weak right now. Guess what? The G down again. The G is down again. Like, I don't know. I haven't drove since, so I went to work Wednesday. So I came, I crank it up, and it sounded like metal or something. But it'll crank up. But when it crank up, it sounds good. But it's having like problems starting. We finna just diagnose this thing. So yesterday I jacked it up, drained the oil. The oil looked good. Put a new filter on it. I didn't add oil yet, but if y'all can see back here, I don't think y'all can see. Focus. Back here is a lot of oil. Like, I don't know why. I think the valve cover gaskets failed, but I don't know. So I'm actually gonna strip the whole thing off, just take everything off, redo the gaskets, look and see if anything in the inside is messed up. So let's get into this video. So yeah, 10 mil all the way around, y'all already know. So I start off in the middle normally. I don't do this in no kind of fashion. So we got everything unbuttoned. So now we about to see what this oil catch can been doing on the inside. I haven't took it off ever since I put it on. Let me try to set y'all up. I still got one. Thought I took that one off. Thing is clean. Thing is clean as a whistle. Amazon for the cheap. Dang, clean as a whistle. I do have to get another gasket. The gasket look good too, but I done bent it, so it's a little bend in it, so I'm gonna just get a brand new one. But now, to get the top part up, we just take these up. I'm gonna sit y'all down and get this done, then get back with y'all. So we got that all. So now to get the bottom plenum part of the plenum off, it's just two. Battery went dead. So that one. And you come right here in the back. It's right here. So we got the whole plenum off. We just gonna clean this up. It hasn't been too bad, but we're gonna clean this up with brake cleaning. Yeah. So if y'all can see this oil, like, if y'all can see, I know y'all can see that pipe down there, all that's filled with oil, like, on both sides. Reach back now. See, look at that. So yeah, now that we have the plenum off, we go ahead and get the valve covers taken off. All you need to take the valve covers off is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 on each side. So then you gotta take the coil packs out. I'm about to mark these coil packs because last time I put them in backwards and my car was shooting all type of codes. What is this? Water, but yeah. Get back to y'all when I'm done doing that. So yeah, this is how I mark it if I can know which coil packs go into where. I do it on both sides, same thing. But yeah, make sure if you take out your coil packs, you put them back in the same plug, because I did this one time and my car was down for like a whole 2 months because I had these wires switched backwards, these two. So now if y'all can see back there what I'm talking about, a bad leak. But got this thing ripped apart. All new gaskets going in. I'm just do a full tune-up on it. New spark plugs, probably new coil packs. I remember somebody tried to clown me about this Amazon oil catch can, but look, sparkling clean, man, crazy. But yeah, we're finna get this stuff cleaned up. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Yesterday I wasn't able to finish the video. Like I said, man, a lot of stuff has been going on. Like, I literally, in like 2 months, I've been to work like 3 times. Like, a lot of stuff just been going on, man. So, man, make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. Since I'm not monetized right now, and I haven't been going to work, I'm gonna just drop my Cashapp in the link below if anybody want to help out on the build or anything. If y'all want to send me something, just DM me on Instagram. I'll link that in the description also. But like I said, a lot of stuff been going on. We is picking out a color for the G. I already actually have the color that I want to do. I've been talking to the guy about it right now. he giving me a good price on doing it, and we're gonna get this thing done. Hopefully the engine is not messed up. If the engine is messed up, I'm gonna either go with I've been looking at an HR or a DE, but I might go with the HR. So I like those more better. Those are more efficient and run better. So make sure I hit the like, subscribe, comment. As y'all can tell, I am not feeling good at all. But yeah, hit the like, subscribe, comment button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.